In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to MP4. If you've ever needed to turn a slide deck into a shareable video for social, email, or a presentation that plays automatically, this walkthrough will show you how to do it using a trusted add-on inside Google Slides. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll include helpful pointers so you get a smooth result. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure it's the version you want to convert with your slides arranged, text finalized, and any images or animations already in place. At the very top of the screen, look for the toolbar and click Extensions. This is where Google Slides lets you connect extra tools that add features not built into slides by default, like exporting to video. From the Extensions menu, choose Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top of that window, type Creator Studio. You're looking for the Google Slides add-on named Creator Studio, which specializes in exporting slides as videos. Click it to open its details page, then select Install. Google may ask you to choose your account and approve permissions. Read the prompts, make sure you're installing under the correct Google account, and proceed. If you're on a work or school account, you might need admin approval. If you see a restriction message, check with your administrator. Once installation completes, close the Marketplace window. Now return to your Slides tab and click Extensions again. You should see Creator Studio listed in the menu. Select it to launch the add-on. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. From here, Creator Studio provides options to generate a video from your slides, typically letting you pick MP4 as the format and choose settings such as slide duration, resolution, or whether to include audio. If you've added speaker notes or background music, check the available options to see how they can be included. Give the add-on a moment to process, especially for longer decks with many images or animations. A few quick tips as you proceed. If you don't see Creator Studio right away after installing, refresh the slides page. Keep your internet connection steady while the add-on renders your video. And before sharing, preview the exported MP4 to confirm timing, transitions, and audio are exactly how you want them. That's it. You've used Google Slides with the Creator Studio add-on to convert your presentation into an MP4 video, ready to share anywhere.